Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm just going to explain how this work. Alright, so looking at it right now, you see that it's kind of messy and it is confusing, right? But when I explain it, you're going to see that this is a very good strategy. Alright, so from the 1 minute time frame, this is how it works, right? All you need to wait for is that you need to wait for price to first of all get to the oversold level here. This is boom 500, right? Boom 500. Now you wait for price to get down, get to the oversold level, and what you want now is a spike breaking above our black moving average. So whenever you see that the spike has broken above it and you need a clean breaking, alright, it needs to break above it and you need to see it clear, not something like this small one here. Alright, it needs to break above it and you need to see it clean. Then immediately you see that, you take your entry from this place and your stop loss is going to be below this, and then you are going to ride that till it gets to the 85 level, which is the overbought level, right? So that is how it works, right? But there's one thing you need to take note of. Whenever before you take your entry, you don't just use the 1 minute time frame. All right, you don't use the RSI on the 1 minute time frame to take the entry. You are going to be looking at the 15-minute time frame. All right, now here on the 15-minute time frame, you see that I mark this area. First of all, you are going to allow price to get to touch the 15 level first, right? Whenever it touch the 15 level from the 15-minute time frame, you need to take note of that, right? From the 15-minute time frame, you saw that price is now touching the oversold level. That is when you go to the 1 minute time frame and then you wait for that crossing to happen on the main chart, right? That's when you wait for that crossing, this crossing like this to happen, and then you can ride it till it gets to till it touches the 18 level here on the 1 minute time frame, right? Remember I said on the 1 minute time frame, not on the 15-minute time frame. It touches the what is it called, the overbought level on the 1 minute time frame, sorry, on the 1 minute time frame. Let me mark this area it touched and let's see where it is on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's see where it is on the 15-minute time frame. You can see this is the area. This is the area it touches the overbought level on the 15-minute time frame. So this is how it works. This is how the powerful strategy works. Let me show you guys another example again. This is another touch in here. This is also another touch in here, and you can see how that went. Remember, you'll be taking your entry from the 1 minute time frame, right? The 1 minute time frame. This little move here, right, like this, is a very big move on the 1 minute time frame. So you use the 15-minute time frame to your advantage, and then you catch multiple spikes. So you can see how this is going, guys. This is a very big move on the 1 minute time frame. So you can see this is a very powerful strategy when you combine the 15-minute time frame and the 1 minute time frame in order to catch a multiple spike. Right, so this is how simple the strategy is. You analyze from the 15-minute time frame and then you go to the 1 minute time frame and you use the 1 minute time frame for your entry, right? So that is pretty much everything regarding this strategy. So I want you guys to go out there, test it out for yourself, see if it's working, and then give me the feedback, all right? Because I know this is a very good strategy, right? So without nothing much to say, let me just share the settings before I forget. First of all, you click on this N icon, for those of you who don't know. Then our first indicator here is going to be the fractal. It's a very simple thing to add, no much setting. Just this is also everything you need. After that, you click on done. Then the next indicator here is the moving average, which is that black moving average you are seeing there on the screen. The period is 20. Shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Under the style, we have 3 pixels. The color is black, but you can use any color of your choice. So after that, you click on done. Now the last indicator here is just the relative strength index. Nothing much. Very simple strategy. The period is 7, as you can see. Apply to close. The style is 3 pixels. The color is blue. And the levels, which is very important, you have the 85 and the 15. The pixel here is 2 and the color is black. Then you go back and click on done. Go back and click on done. Then you have something like this. You have a screen like this, right? So this is how simple the strategy is. That's how simple the strategy is. Breakthrough, take your entry, and then you ride to the upside. So that's pretty much everything on this one, guys. See you guys in the next video. Before I go, if you know you are new to my channel, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, I will really appreciate if you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell whenever you subscribe, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you, and Silver out.